This is Bridget with Bridge Connections, providing a tour of room 4134 and general tips for the New York Marriott Marquis, which is situated in the heart of Times Square. Although average rates can range from $350 to $700 per night and up to $1,000 per night during New Year's, it is a great location for first-time visitors to New York City who want to experience some of the highlights of the city. There are countless restaurants in the area, such as Junior's, which is across the street and offers the option of virtually joining a waitlist prior to arrival. Carmine's, which reservations are definitely recommended, and Restaurant Row is within a 10-minute walk. If you're looking to grab a quick beverage or snack, Starbucks is actually connected to the hotel on the first floor. The hotel lobby is located on the 8th floor where guests will check in. There are also restrooms, restaurants, the Travel Traders Gift Shop and Cafe, which serves as a general store, and a tour sales office. Guests who have Platinum Elite status and higher with Marriott will have access to the M Club, which will be featured later in this video. Room 4134 is a decent size and includes a safe and mini fridge. The room offers a view of the Times Square Mall and a glimpse of the Hudson River. The M Club at the New York Marriott Marquis is spacious and offers snacks, hors d'oeuvres, and access to a breakfast buffet, which is shared with guests who are dining at the Revel and Rye Bar and Restaurant. Guests should be mindful of the hours of operation, which are located at the M Club entrance. When planning your trip to New York City, check to see if there are any performances at the Marquis Theater, which is on the 3rd floor of the hotel. The TKTS booth is across from the hotel and sells discounted show tickets. There are also a plethora of other theaters within walking distance, which may offer same-day rush tickets at the box office. There are a ton of attractions in the area, whether you want to take a stroll through Bryant Park, catch a hop-on, hop-off bus, visit Madame Tussauds Wax Museum, take advantage of the Hot Now sign at Krispy Kreme Donuts, or just people watch in Times Square. There is something for everyone. Thank you for watching the New York Marriott Marquis room tour. Please continue to bridge connections through new travel adventures.